Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Prime AP201 MicroATX chassis. So friend, ASUS announced the Prime AP201 chassis featuring a minimalistic design with compatibility and convenience in mind. And friend, this new DIY PC has a compact size but offers support for large radiators, graphics card and power supplies in 33 liters of space. And friend, it is built for MicroATX motherboard, and friend, it offers balance of size and compatibility, and friend, in total volume is only 33 liters, and friend, it demands much less tax space than a typical ATX tower, and friend, while still offering a below room user need for high-end components. And friend, for building a monster gaming PC or content creating powerhouse, it supports graphics card all the way up to 338 mm in length. And friend, this is enough space to accommodate the highest gaming cards like the ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3090. And friend, for users who plan to install a AIO liquid cooler to tame an aggressive CPU overclock, the top model supports radiator up to 360 mm, letting them easily mount a triple fan radiator for ultimate performance. And friend, since the AP201 can accommodate ATX-sized power supplies, and friend, DIY PC builders have a wide array of options for powering their build. And friend, in addition to offering the real estate that large components need, user also get the space and convenient features that makers for a stress-free build process. And friend, both side panels are attached by a simple yet secure latch mechanism that grants tool-free access to internals. And friend, to keep the inside free of clutter, the extended motherboard tray features strategically placed cutouts and offers generous 32 mm gap for cable management. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the suggested retail price is €100. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.